right, now we have Paul with Regen Bazaar.
Yeah, Millie took our 420 time for 2 minutes, but it's okay. It's a joke, for those who knows. And I have no power today, feel weird, weak. Sorry, no jumping and funny jokes from my side, a part of 420. So I will show fast landing page that we release, and it's mainly for NGO and community. And you're welcome to invite your local NGOs and communities who do impact in real world to apply. There is a form to apply. We process it manually, but there will be on a white list for the first NGOs and community who will create the impact products. And basically, it's RegenBazaar.com. You can see landing, and it will be. So there is like our X and Telegram group where they can go and ask us any questions. They also can click this tokenize. Can you click this tokenize button? So there is a form that they need to put data about them, and yeah, this data will go to our hands. We will process it, and yeah, please invite your NGOs and communities who do cleanups, reforestation, work with kids, education, whenever any non-profit impact on ground. So and next we go to the Pratik. He will show the user flow for sellers and buyers, and that's our demo page. We try to bring it on demo.RegenBazaar, but we have some problems waiting for DNS and Cloudflare and so on and so on. Yeah, Pratik, please.
Hey guys, good afternoon. I won't take a lot of time. We'll be like we have been listening from Paul about the Regen Bazaar demo. The Regen Bazaar, the concept, how it is a marketplace for all the non-profit work that's gonna that we can start demoing, like putting it into the front of the world, and then retailers or big organizations can start participating in some CSR activity, and something like buying carbon footprints and things like that. So I'll just quickly walk through the demo. So this is like a MVP sort of a demo that we have done during the last few weeks since we started at Zugrama from scratch. So user can start connecting with his wallet, and as we saw on the landing page as well, we can start creating a project, uploading it as a profile. So this is for majorly NGOs who are doing some public good and want to list themselves. And I'll just have some demo data over here. So once I have some data, I can just put a price to it, and I put this, it's like an NFT that we put on chain, and I'll just confirm the transactions and list the project as a NFT on the platform. So once it's deployed, we can list down this project as to be listed for all the people who are interested in supporting this project. And once it's listed, we are redirected to the purchase page. A user can also go directly to the purchase page from this token, like the navigation bar. And as you can see, already we have some real life projects that are already been listed, like the Clean Bangan and the D-Clean projects over here. As a corporate, now I'm jump to the buying flow. So as a corporate user, I can just buy any of the projects that I feel I should be supporting for a good cause, and so I can just click on buy, enter the amount, how much I would like to support. So yeah, and once the transaction is done, I would see this project as I have purchased it. Now here is where we have some sort of DeFi primitives kicking in. So once the transaction is complete, I can view all my projects that I have purchased into my staking dashboard, and all these projects. So you can see I purchased the Clean Pangan project. Now I can stake it. So by staking or like locking in is like more of like a traditional fixed deposit where we lock the project for a longer time to get more yields, but a stake is sort of like a kind of a savings account sort of where the yields are relatively lower, but we can stake the project and then just get the yields out of it. Once we are like, if you want to just get out of the staking part, we can just withdraw a project and probably just resell the same token because now it will be unlocked. So that's it from the 3 user flows. But for staking, we also have like a reselling part or like because when we are staking, we also would get the rebars tokens, which would still be used to those are the yields from the platform, and it can be also used to support other projects as well in the platform. I'll hand over to Paul if he has additional comments.
Yeah, I just a point that Rebus token that you can also stake and get as rewards. You also can stake impact products to get Rebus token rewards and make yourself billionaires, of course, to buy Lambo and houses and so on and so on. And yeah, that's flow. It's for retail users, and if we're lucky, we've survived. We will build layer 2 for corporates. That is more promising, of course, and they will it will be bigger and for our pockets as well, I hope. So yeah, that basically infrastructure to empower local NGOs and communities, but we sell it as well as to profit for retails and corporates, because otherwise we cannot sell. And we are looking for angel with investments, because we need support. If you know someone who is interested in that, regenerative finance, public good, and such infrastructure, we have revenue on this platform, we have robust token, and so on and so on. Please point them to us or share the contact. I will pitch, will shill. So we're working hard on funding. Thank you so much, everyone. That's, by the way, the real NFTs that we designed by our hands, and they from Ecotalent Foundation, from Clean Pangan community, and from the Cleanup network. So it's all our previous steps and prototypes for what we're doing right now. Thank you so much for listening to us. One question, that's the first time in 3 weeks.
Is there a way of curating who would be uploading in the tokens? Like the project you would be uploading? Do you monitor that?
Yes, it's not permissionless, and then first step it will be centralized and curated by me and co-founder and so on, but we're going to decentralize governance, and it will be validators from community, decentralized community validators. They will stake their robust tokens and will be able to become validators, and they will check everything, and so on and so on. So it's, for example, will be the project should get like 5 votes from 7 or 10 votes, and then they keep us. And the validators will check the proof to link to proof of impact, Twitter, Facebook, website, whenever, and they validate the impact that, and they validate the organization is real and working on ground, and so on and so on.
So I'm just going through you don't want it. I can do this in person. So the workflow for all different, because there are multiple stakeholders in the project. So there is the person who uploads the project, then there are investors, and there are individual investors, and there are organizational investors.
There is no investors right now.
It's written on your website. So? It's written on the website.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, the profits, the landing pages mainly focus for NGOs and communities, and this what you're reading is profits for, it's the reason why for what you check in there, and it's a reason why for NGOs and communities to participate, why they should spend their time and what they might gain from that.
I think the project is extremely impactful. I just, because I see the presentation to be slightly different from what I see here.
It's user flow. It's different as a demo user flow. What you're checking right now, it's landing page for NGOs and Communities. So it's user demos for user flow is to make a bit tangible to sell it better for investor to get funds and to better understand public what is it, the mechanics. The landing page is more to as a lead magnet for NGOs and Communities, so that you can send them link, they can get some knowledge and they can apply. So yeah, landing page does not content a lot of information, including not talking about benefits for buyers and so on and so on. It's mainly focused on NGOs and Communities to onboard them into impact products and impact marketplace, RegenBazaar.
Thank you.
Yeah, any feedbacks, reviews, as you see, you can send me directly. And yeah, we're looking for funding, angel investments, VCs. Don't forget about them. When someone asks, point to us. Great. We cannot work without that. That's important.